So today we have to start with mushroom cultivation. So this is a picture showing mushroom cultivation, and here it is showing the packaging after the cultivation of mushroom. No, this one is showing the production of compost, and in this compost this mushroom is growing. Okay, so this is showing the steps of or the production or the manufacturing of compost, and on this compost only this particular mushroom will grow. So the most commonly grown mushroom in India is the white button mushroom. Okay, and what is the scientific name of white button mushroom? That is Agaricus bisporus. Now, what are the steps involved in mushroom cultivation? The first step is composting, then the second step is spawning. So, we will discuss these two steps today. Then the third step is casing, fourth step is cropping and harvesting, and fifth step is preservation. So, in this particular picture, the preparation of composting is being shown. So, let's see what happens in composting. So, following substances are mixed in a proper proportion to prepare compost. So, what are the substances mixed in proper proportion to prepare compost? That is wheat or paddy straw, chicken manure, and organic and inorganic fertilizers. These substances are mixed in a proper proportion, and this mixture is kept at 50 degrees Celsius for 1 week. After that, it will turn into compost, and compost will act as a substrate, we can say, or the substance on which mushroom can easily grow. Now the next step is spawning. So what is done in spawning? The mushroom seed, that is mycelium. You know that fine thread-like structure is known as mycelium, and the network of mycelium is known as hyphae. So mycelium is introduced into the compost, and this mycelium is allowed to spread for 1 or 2 days or a couple of days, and in this the spawning of the mushroom cultivation will be done. Next step we will be doing with casing. Thank you everyone.